My conclusion is that you're fine, your kidney is fine, but there's clearly something wrong here. So, I'm just not so sure. I just can't find the patterns. Like, everything is disjointed. The data set is disjointed, the links are disjointed. I can't find it.
Problem is there are too many signals and too little early clarity. Number one, the risk signals are fragmented across data set. And number two is that the risk assessment is done manually. Everything is done manually and it is not standardized, the process. And number three is that the care is done as reactive, which can cause delayed remission. And that number four, delayed remission itself can cause CKD further down the line. Next is solution gap. Number one, there are no unified risk profile that gathers the fragmented data set into one system. Number two, there are no early prognostic risk layer that predicts CKD and delayed remission risk early. Number three is there are no early explainable system because clinicians need to know quickly why a patient is high risk. And number four, there are no prioritization dashboard that clinicians can use to prioritize high risk patients before the moderate and low risk profile patients. Introducing Slecare, an explainable AI decision support system for lupus nephritis. The dataset is gathered by a rheumatologist expert in Hospital UKM, and this data is trained on a machine learning model, a cat boost model, to predict CKD risk and delayed remission risk. This model is then interpreted using sharp and explainable AI method to find the disease factors and, more importantly, the disease threshold. The system then classifies patients into a low, moderate and high risk and then displayed using a beautifully designed dashboard. The first innovation is that the system uses a completely Malaysian dataset, which is important because LN is a heterogeneous disease. Number two is the dual risk prognostic layer, which predicts CKD risk and delayed remission risk. Number three is the explainable AI method, which is really used sharp to quickly inform the clinician on the disease threshold and disease factors. And number four is the risk prioritization dashboard, where the system classifies the patient's severity for closer monitoring by the clinicians. Slecare protects patients early, reduces hospital and dialysis burden, and strengthens national productivity, digital health, and caregiver well-being. Slecare is positioned as a specialist hospital solution, beginning with Malaysian academics and specialist hospitals, followed by implementation support, clinical validation, and annual institution subscription. Slecare is the only unified Malaysian system that predicts and that quickly explains it to the clinician and optimizes patient prioritization for the clinician. The prototype is fully functional and validated by the rheumatologist expert from Hospital UKM, and we are in the progress of getting our system licensed by the MDE. And here are all the achievements of Slecare recently.